TV. No power or blank screen. If your TV is not powering on or the screen is blank, test the power outlet you are using by connecting another device. Locate and push the power button on your TV. You should see an LED light indicating that the TV is turned on. If you're using a streaming media player, such as a Fire Stick, Chromecast, or cable box, and the TV powers on but the screen is blank, make sure you have selected the correct input by pressing the Input button on the TV. You may have to wait for 2 to 3 seconds for the TV to switch inputs. If you're on the correct input and the screen is still blank, restart your streaming media player by unplugging it from the power outlet and plugging it back in after 5 to 10 seconds. If your TV has built-in apps but the screen is still blank, check if your TV is connected to your Wi-Fi network. Press the Menu button on your TV remote and access Network Settings to check or connect to your Wi-Fi network. If you cannot see the menu, factory reset your TV using the buttons on it. Check your user manual or the Internet for the specific steps on how to factory reset your TV when you can't see the screen. Once reset, connect your TV to Wi-Fi. Your TV should now work.